This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you. Did you know that 66% of US households own a pet as of 2024? That's over 86 million homes with furry friends. And the pet industry is booming, projected to hit $150.6 billion in sales this year. With this surge in pet ownership, demand for pet services, especially dog walking, is skyrocketing. If you've ever thought about starting a profitable, flexible business, now is the perfect time to launch your dog walking business in 2025. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Bizee, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start, register, and grow your dog walking business into a six-figure venture. Let's dive in. What does a dog walker and pet sitter do? Dog walking is more than just taking a pet out for a stroll. It's about ensuring their health, happiness, and exercise needs are met. At its core, a dog walker ensures dogs get their necessary exercise and social interaction, promoting their overall well-being. Pet sitters, on the other hand, provide care for pets in their owner's absence, which can include feeding, grooming, and companionship. Both roles require a genuine love for animals, reliability, and a keen understanding of pet behavior. As a dog walker or pet sitter, your job might include walking multiple dogs daily for exercise and socialization, providing pet sitting services when owners are away, feeding, grooming, and administering medications if required, offering additional services like pet training or transportation. Many successful dog walkers expand into full pet care businesses, opening doors to higher earnings and long-term growth. But where do you start? Let's break it down. Starting a dog walking business isn't just about loving animals. It's a business. And like any business, you'll face challenges such as competition. How do you stand out when others are already offering dog walking services? Finding clients. Building a loyal customer base takes time and trust. Service definition. Deciding on the range of services, be it walking, pet sitting, or grooming, is crucial. Pricing services correctly. Charge too low and you undervalue yourself. Charge too high and you scare off clients. Choosing your service area. Should you stay local or expand into multiple neighborhoods? Startup costs. You'll need to cover insurance, licensing, and marketing expenses. But don't worry. I'll walk you through each step to avoid these mistakes and build a thriving business. Key steps to starting your dog walking business. Let's get into the exact steps you need to take to start your business in 2025. Conduct market research. Check local demand. How many dog owners live in your area? Research competitors. What do they charge and what services do they offer? Find your unique selling point. Maybe you specialize in high-energy breeds or offer GPS-tracked walks. Choose your business structure. Why form an LLC? Many people skip this step, but it's critical. Should you register your business? Absolutely. And forming an LLC is the best option for most dog walkers. Why? Legal protection. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business, so if anything goes wrong, your house and car aren't at risk. Tax benefits. You can write off business expenses like pet supplies, travel, and marketing. Professionalism. Clients trust registered businesses more than casual, unregistered dog walkers. How to register your dog walking business as an LLC, step by step. Step 1. Choose a business name. Pick something catchy and professional like Happy Paws Dog Walking LLC. Step 2. Register with your state. Visit your state's business registration website and file an LLC application. Step 3. Get an EIN or tax ID number. This is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes. Step 4. Open a business bank account. Keep your business and personal finances separate to track earnings better. Step 5. Get business insurance. Protect yourself in case of accidents, injuries, or dog-related incidents. Now here's a critical business tip. If you're serious about asset protection, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of Bizee in the description box and pinned comment below. How profitable is a dog walking business? Let's talk numbers. How much can you make as a dog walker? Well, here are the average dog walker rates in 2025. $15 to $35 per 30-minute walk, $40 to $80 per hour-long walk, and $25 to $75 per overnight pet sitting. Real-life example. Meet Sarah, a full-time dog walker from Chicago. She started her business with just $200 in flyers and a website. In 1 year, she built her business to 5 to 6 daily clients paying $25 per walk. She works 5 days a week, making over $3,000 per month. Sarah expanded into pet sitting and training, reaching a $75,000 annual income. And she now employs 2 additional dog walkers under her LLC. If you scale smartly and hire additional walkers, this business can easily hit 6 figures. Now, let's talk about insurance. Imagine this. You're out walking a client's dog, and suddenly the pup breaks free, runs into traffic, or even bites someone. What happens next? Without dog walking insurance, you could be held personally responsible for the injury to the dog. For this, vet bills can be thousands of dollars. Or injury to a person. If the dog bites someone, you could be sued. Imagine a dog knocking over an expensive outdoor display. It can cause property damage. That's why having insurance is non-negotiable. It protects you, the dog, and your business. What type of insurance do you need? First, general liability insurance. It covers injuries, damages, or accidents caused by you or the dog while on duty. Next, animal bailey insurance. This one covers vet bills if a dog in your care gets injured or lost. Then, there's workers' compensation insurance. If you hire other dog walkers, this protects them and you from workplace injuries. Lastly, bonding insurance. It protects you if a client accuses you of theft or misconduct while in their home. Here's a pro tip. Some pet owners only hire insured dog walkers, so having insurance can actually win you more clients. How to promote your dog walking business and get clients fast. Now that you've got your business set up, how do you get your first paying clients? Let's go over the best marketing strategies to fill your schedule fast. Building a strong online presence is essential. Start by creating a business website. List your services, prices, and testimonials. Make sure it's mobile-friendly so clients can book easily. Next, set up social media pages. Share daily updates, cute dog pictures, and client testimonials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And don't forget to get listed on Google Business. When people search dog walker near me, you'll show up. Here's a pro tip. Offer a first walk free promotion to attract new clients. Leverage word of mouth and local marketing to boost your business. Ask happy clients for reviews and encourage them to leave 5-star ratings on Google and Yelp. Partner with local pet businesses like pet stores, vets, and groomers. They can refer clients to you. Print flyers and business cards and place them at dog parks, cafes, and community centers. Lastly, join local Facebook and Nextdoor groups to offer your services in community pet groups. Offer unique services to stand out. GPS-tracked walks. Use an app like Rover or Wag to show owners exactly where their dog walked. Daily photo updates. Send cute dog pictures to clients after every walk. Pet taxi service. Offer to transport dogs to vet or grooming appointments. The more unique your service, the more clients will choose you over the competition. Why you should start in 2025. Starting a dog walking business in 2025 is low cost, high profit, and in demand. Pet ownership is rising, meaning more clients every year. Flexible hours allow you to work part-time or full-time. Adding services like pet sitting, training, or grooming increases earnings. Forming an LLC protects your business and boosts credibility. If you're serious about launching your own business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. I've done a full review of Bizee down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. If you love dogs and want financial freedom, why not start today? Starting a dog walking business in 2025 is not only achievable but also rewarding. By understanding the role, addressing challenges head-on, and implementing strategic planning, including forming an LLC, you can turn your passion for pets into a successful venture. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video on essential dog training tips to complement your new business.